Let's take a look at the chart action for Bitcoin. All right, so here is what I've been looking at on the Bitcoin chart. Basically looks like a rising wedge in my opinion. We're bouncing in between these two trend lines. We broke this one right here, and then we got kind of a confirmation going to the downside in my opinion. And I pretty much did the same thing that I did on my Dogecoin video, which was set up the Fibonacci retracement levels. And let's actually kick this into the daily time frame. I'm not sure if I did the Fibonacci levels right. I might have to redo this. I mean, I might want to do it from here and use those levels instead, because those, let's see, that lines up a little bit better. I'm not sure how far it's going to dip down, is in other words is what I'm saying, because what I did was I'm using that bottom right there, because that looks kind of like the beginning of this big run right here. Maybe that is, I don't know, that's where I have my limit order set right now, but maybe I should do some of the other ones too. Anyways, I think it's going to go down a little bit and get a little retracement. We're already breaking the daily 9 moving average right here. Let's see if we close under this. If we close under, like if we get another candle, if this candle closes tomorrow and then the next candle is still under the 9 moving average, then we can kind of expect it to be resistance when we try to come up and try to retest it. But if we can break through it again, then that's bullish signals. So right now, I think, yeah, I have some limit order set up at these orange lines right here, and at the at the Fibonacci levels. And so the 23% level is 65,396. The 38% level is 60,257. The 50% level is 56,104. The 61% is 51,951. So I basically have limit orders set right here. So if the price goes down to these levels, then they will get bought up. And usually, in my opinion, the price likes to bounce in between these Fibonacci retracement levels, and then when it breaks, and then it breaks out. So you can actually kind of sometimes trade on these levels if you sell it right here and then just put up another limit order right here and then keep going. I don't know if what it's going to do. We're in a kind of a bull market right now, but I also feel like we can get a little nice little retracement, maybe down to like 20%. I think that's usually what it does. That's something like that. That's not even that bad, honestly. But so maybe something, maybe like this one, the 38% level. I think this one's a pretty good one to watch. 50% level is usually, not usually, but will also be kind of like a good uh, spot to look at as well. It's another one that will usually, sometimes it'll like come down here and then wick down or something, boom, and then it like catches. So that's also why I like limit orders too. So if we get some like crazy wick and then it just pops back up, these will all get filled. And I mean, because that's happened plenty of times before, even when it was like much lower too. So even having like crazy ones like down here or something crazy, I think it happened a lot on Binance or something back in the day. But so yeah, I think right now we're looking at a falling wedge, and I'm looking at these limit orders, the Fibonacci retracement level. There's also another thing that I wanted to show you guys real quick. It's just a big, huge target, purely speculation, but I think, I don't know, it's kind of something to watch. Maybe I didn't. I just saw this the other day. I saw this top. We got a bottom right here and a bottom right here, and I'm looking at these two trend lines. Something, well, right here. So we have the top, and then we have the bottom, and it's it it didn't technically come down here and bounce, but we've got resistance. I guess my point is it's a channel, like a widening channel. Maybe it kind of seems like it's getting bigger, and that's, I feel like those are pretty bullish, but in a, I guess it depends. But anyways, I think if it breaks to this, to the top side, to the I think if it breaks this trend line right here, then we can look at something like this, because we could drag from the bottom to the top over here, maybe something like that, drag that to the top, and that's basically where that lines up. The target is around I should probably done a separate video with this, but 143 534. Or the other possibility is this might be the next top. I don't know. I mean, let's see, not top, but possibly 83,145. Don't know. I think maybe correction, and then if we could break through that, that'd be cool. I mean, like if I think it'd be cool if we came down, correction, and then came back up, and then broke through this, and then like probably went to this with a big huge spike, and then maybe came back down, and then maybe this could be the bottom or something like that. I don't know, but that's just purely speculation. The first one's a little more. There's a little more like signals and things like that, but and this is, like I said, this is the shorter time frame. I don't know, let me know what you guys think, if that's crazy talk or not, but I know the halving's pretty soon too, which I think, I don't know, but yeah, let me know what you guys think. All right, if you guys like the video, hit the thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.